Hello friends, today we are going to do quick revision of chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. Look here, this is a sequence where you are getting the same progress. Means 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11 and so on. So this is called an AP because it is having, this series or sequence is having the same progress. The progress can be positive also, progress can be negative also, and progress can be 0 also. Means if you are having in sequence 2 2 2 2 2, at that time you are having the progress that is 0, so that will be also AAP. So your progress can be positive, negative or 0. Look here, this is your AP. Now why we are studying this? If we want to find the 20th number in this series, means this is the first number, you can call it as A1, A2, A3, A4, and if you want to find the A20th number, so directly we can find out this 20th number without just by adding 333 also, with the formula that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. With the help of this formula we can find this 20th term. So what we have to see, what is a, n, d and a. Look at the first number, that is always a, so I am going making a list here. A will be 2. D difference we can find out by subtracting a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. So difference will be 5 minus 2 3, or 8 minus 5 also 3, 11 minus 8 also 3. And we want to find the 20th term, so 20th, so that will be our n, and the number that we want to find, that is an. Now we want to find a 20th number, so this will be a 20, this a will be 2, this n will be 20 minus 1 and d is 3. We want to find this 20th term, so our a20 we want to find 2 plus 19, 20 minus 1 and into 3. So it will be 2 plus 9 is a 27, 2 carry 57, 57 plus 2, 59. So our this number will be 59. So this is for finding the terms. This formula is very useful for finding any of the numbers out of this. They will give you any 3 numbers out of this 4 numbers, means out of this 4, a, d, n and an. They will give you any 3 and you can find the 4th number from this one. Now we are going to find the sum. If we want to find the sum from this number to this number, from first number to 20th number, if we want to find out the sum, so we can find out directly also without adding 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus without doing that all, directly we can find out the sum, that is Sn, sum of number. It will be n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. One short method is also there that I will tell you after this. S20 we want to find out, so S20 n will be 20 by 2. 2 our a is 2 plus n, that is 20 minus 1 into difference is 3. So it will become 10, 4 plus 20 minus 1, 19 threes are, again we know 19 threes are, we had done here 57. This will be 10 and this will be 61. So 610 is the sum. We can also find the sum by one more method, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket a plus l. What is this l? L means the last number, this number, this is l. If we are having this, then and only then we can use this method. If we are not having this number, then we have to use this method. So Sn 20 by 2 a, that is 2 plus l, that is 59. This will become 10, this will become 61. You can see here also you are getting the sum 610 and here also it was 610. These are the three formulas. By looking at this formula, we think that this chapter is very small. But actually, there are many ways to ask questions related to this concept. So this chapter is actually very big because they can ask different questions related to this concept in different ways. So one by one I am going to solve different questions. So let us start. Which term of the AP 7, 13, 19 dot 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 is 205? So here they told us that this is the term and we want to find which term is this. So we want to find the number of this term. So we have to find n, and we are having the one formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now first we have to make the list. We are having a 7, difference 13 minus 7, that is 6, and then an, this is the number, so our an will be 205, and we want to find the n, which number is this. So now keep everything in this, a, that is 7, and we have to find difference is 6, multiply. This will become 205 is equal to 7 plus 6n minus 6. So 7 minus 6, 1 plus 6n, 205. Now 1 will go on this side. 205 minus 1 gives you 6n. 204 by 6 is equal to n. 6 3s are 18 and 24. So 4s are, now our n will be 34. Sorry. So this will be our 34th number. Now next, check whether minus 105 is a term of the AP 11 8 5 2 dot 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 dot. So we want to find whether this is the term of this AP or not. For checking that, we have to find n. If n is a negative number, or if n will arise in decimal, or if n is 0, then we have to say that this number is not the term of this AP. So first we have to find n. Again the same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Again our first number will be a 11, this will be our an, and if our n will come in a natural number, then and only then we can say. Now the difference, 8 minus 11 will give you minus 3. Now you can multiply 11 minus 3 into n will give you minus 3, and minus plus 3, this will be your minus 150. 11, this will be your 14, and minus 3n minus 150, this 14 will go on this side, it will also become minus 14, and minus 3n minus 164 is equal to minus 3n, minus will get cancelled, 164 by 3 n. So you will get something in decimal, 5 is a 15, 14, 52 point something. Here our n is in decimal, 52 point something. So you have to write that number. I am not finding it directly. So n is in decimal. So minus 150 is not a term of this AP. This AP. Moving towards the next sum, if the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So first they had told us third term. So third term, what will be our third term? I am putting a shortcut here. I am showing you a shortcut. A3 will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So what will be our n? 3. So 3 minus 1, it will become directly 2. So directly we can write a3 is equal to a plus 2d. And ninth term, so a9, directly we can write a plus 8d. This is the shortcut that we can use every time. So I'm showing you now A3 is 4. So 4 is equal to A plus 2D. This is our equation number 1. And minus 8 is equal to A plus 8D. This is our equation number 2. Now you can do elimination, substitution or cross multiplication as it is linear equation with two variables. So I'm going to use elimination, minus, this will become plus and this will become minus. Cancel, this will become 12 and this will become minus 60. This minus 6 will go here, so it will become 12 by minus 6. So minus will come here and our difference will be minus 2. So this is our difference. We want to find the zero term. So what we are going to put this difference in any of the equation. I am going to put it in equation number 1. 4 is equal to A plus 2 into minus 2. 4 A plus, so it will become, sorry, minus 4 you can take, so 8 is equal to A. So we got A and D. Now we are having A and D. We want which term of this AP will be 0. So our AN will be 0. Again we will put it in the AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we are having AN 0. Our A is 8 and we have to find, and our difference is minus 2. We can multiply 8 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus 2 into will become plus 2. So 0 and this will be 10. This 10 I am taking directly here, minus 10 minus 2n, this will get cancelled, n will be equal to 5. So our fifth term will be 0. Now next term. Two AP have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. Find the difference between the 1000th term. Directly I can explain you that whenever you are having two APs and same difference, so whatever number you take, difference, if you are getting the difference of 100 term is 100, then 1000 term difference will be also 100, 5000 term difference will be also 100, 10,000 difference will be also 100. They can change this. So first they had given that how to solve this sum. I'm going to explain you. We are having two APs. So they had here AP with first number A, here AP with first number capital N, this will be small a. Difference, same common difference, so both difference is equal. So here our D will be same. Now they say the difference of their 100 term. So what will be the 100 term here? A100 will be capital A plus 99D, and here A100 will be small a plus 99D. Now they said the difference of these two term, A100 minus small A100 is equal to 100, they told us. So with the help of this I am going to put A100 is A plus 99D minus this A100 A plus 99D equals to 100. So what will happen? We will open this A plus 99D minus A minus 99D is equal to 100. These both will be get cancelled and we got that capital A minus small a is equal to 100. This will be our result number 1. They had given this, with the help of that given we had find out this. Now they told us that find out the difference of 1000 term. So A1000 minus A1000 small A1000, sorry, that we want to find out. I am giving that name X that we want to find out. Now A1000 A plus 999D minus, again this A1000 will be A plus 999D is equal to X. So open this, A plus 999D minus A minus 999D is equal to X. This will get cancelled. A minus A will be equal to X. So we know that by result number 1, capital A minus small a is 100. So we can keep here 100. So our difference of the 1000th term will be also 100. If they are giving us 15,000 term or 20,000 term or 25,000 term, then also our answer will be same, whatever difference they had given to us. that will come here only. So this type of sum they can ask. Now moving towards the next question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So they told us how many 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. So first we should know what are 3-digit number. 100 to 999. These all are 3-digit number. But from that we want number divisible by 7. So what I have to do? I have to find out the next number that is divisible by 7. For that I am going to divide and find out. Look here, I am doing it here. 100 divided by 7, 1, 7, 3, 0. Instead of, now we can see 3 4s are 28 will come here. But instead of this 0, if they had put 5 here, or if we will put 5 here, then what will happen? Automatically 7 5s are 35 will happen and both will get cancelled. So that number will be divisible by 7. So our first number will be, look here, I'm putting 105. 7 1s are 7 and this will be 35. 5s are 35. 0. So our first number of our AP will be 105. Now just we have to add 777 and we have to find out. Our next number will be 105 plus 7, 112. 112 plus 7, 119. And this way we can find out the next numbers. Now we have to find the last number from means previous number then 999, or we have to check which is the last number divisible by 7. So for that also I have to do division with 999. 7 1s are 7, 2 9, 7 4s are 28, 1 9. Instead of this 9, if they will give, we have to subtract here. Here we had added, now we have to subtract, so that our previous number that we want for divisible by 7. So we know before 19, 14 is a number. If I keep 14 here, then it will be divisible by 7. So our last number will be 994. Now we have to, this is our AP. Now what they told, how many numbers are there, means we have to find n. Again the same formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An 994 a 105 plus n that we want to find 1 and difference is 7. Again you can take this 994 minus 105 gives you 7n minus 7. 14 minus 5 9, 8, 9 minus 1 8. This will be plus 7 and here it will come 7n. 9 and 10 16, carry 1 9, that is 7n. So what we have to do, 896 by 7, that will be n. 1 to 14 and 56, 8. So our n will be 128. Next question, find the 20th term from the last term of AP 3813 dot 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 253. This is one of the most important question. Many times they had asked this in board examination. They will change this number. What we now, there are many ways to solve this. They had given one different formula also for that, but generally I teach my student how to solve this. Just you have to convert this AP, means you have to convert from last to first. So my new AP will be, we want to find the 20th term from the last, so I will change this AP 253 minus, our difference is 5 here, so minus 5 will become 248, again minus 5 will become 243 dot 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 up to 8 and 3. So look here, what I had done, I had changed the AP from starting to beginning. From beginning I had that number I had kept in the starting form. So now this will be our AP because we want to find 20th term from the last. So I had converted it. Now we can find out A will be our this number and we want to find 20th term from the last. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Directly we have to find a 20. A will be our 253 Now this will be only our new AP, so we have to take number from this only. We have to forget this now. 253, and that is 20 minus 1, 19, and the difference will be minus 5. Look here, it was plus 5 here, but now it become minus 5. 253 minus 9 5 is a 45, code carry 95, 13 minus 5 8, 14 minus 9 5, and this will be 1. So our 20th term from the last will be 158. Now the next question. The sum of the fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24, and the sum of the sixth and the 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. Look here. Now instead of 1 sum, previously they had given 1 number. Now they had given a sum of two numbers. So from this sum we will get one equation. From this other sum we will get another equation. Then we have to solve it. I am solving it. A3, so A4 plus A8 is equal to 24 and 6. So A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Directly A plus 3D plus A plus 7D equals to 24. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24, and here A plus 5D plus A plus 9D equals to 44. So 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Directly we can do elimination, substitution. This is our equation number 1 and this is 2. Directly I am going to cancel it. I am putting here only 44. Now eliminate, minus minus minus, this will get cancelled, minus 4D, and this will become 0 and 2, and minus minus will also get cancelled. 20 by 4 will give you 5. So the difference is 5. Now we want to find AP. So difference we got, we can substitute this difference in any of these two equation. I am going to substitute here. 2A plus 10 into 5 is equal to 24. 2A 50, 24. 2A 24 minus 50, 2A minus 26, A will be minus 30. Look, this will be our A. Now we are having A and D. Now can we find AP? Yes. Our first number is minus 13. Now difference add 5 in it. So our next number will be minus 8, then minus 3, and so on. So this will be our AP. In my next part, I am going to explain sums related to addition of all that AP numbers. So please watch that video also. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.